guys, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. It's your girl Anna, if you can see, and I'm right back again with another video guys. So today we're just going to do like a vlog about like a life update vlog. I've never done something like this, and I know that you guys are going to enjoy it because it's gonna be lit, it's going to be beautiful and everything. I'm going to do shopping, like I'm going to go to town, so like I'm just going to walk with you guys, like every shopping I'm going to do. And I'm also going to do like the most important thing that made me to do like this short. I'm just going to do also the shopping for the skipping rope challenge, like the food that I'm going to eat and everything. So that's why I'm doing the vlog, but I'll also update you with everything I'm going to do in town. So I hope that you're going to enjoy the video. And what I've said on my channel is that you guys like the vlog, like you like the life update about your girl. So I believe that you guys are going to enjoy the video. So this is just what I'm wearing. This is the earrings that I'm wearing, the necklace with my name, and then a blue jean and black flackies. I don't know if you guys can see them very well. And also a jersey because I'm feeling kind of cold, so that's why I'm wearing a jersey. So yeah, I believe that you guys are going to enjoy the vlog because it's going to be lit and everything guys. It's everything that you're expecting. This is just like the bag that I'm going with, and also a few pairs of I know a few pairs are not good, I mean and also the like glasses for me to go and wear in town. Okay, so now let's go guys. Yeah, let's come enjoy the vlog guys. Let's go in town. This is our first vlog, so let's see how it turned out guys. Here you go. And I'm so excited about the whole thing guys. At the same time I'm excited, at the same time I'm scared because I don't know how these people are going to look at me. Maybe they'll be like, oh, the girl is crazy, or what if you meet someone that you know. I just don't know. Like guys, the life of becoming a YouTuber, yo, is like the struggle that you pick for yourself. But yeah, this struggle that I pick for myself, I don't feel like they're challenging. I don't complain. I'm not complaining guys, but I just don't know how it's going to turn out. And yeah guys, I'm wearing this goggles because, is it goggles? Sunglasses, because sometimes I'm public shy. I don't like really people looking at my face like that, straight to my eyes sometimes. But sometimes in the confidence you say I don't really care. But I also have a problem like when I'm in the sun and there's too much lighting, it just disturbs me. So yeah, I'm well prepared for the vlog. So you guys, the least that you can do for the vlog, because she's here like putting all the effort, so you guys enjoy. The least that you can do for your girl is just subscribe, like and share the video guys. Thank you. It's just me going to game, but at this point I don't know what I'm going to buy. But guys, let's hope and let's go and discover what maybe like whatever we're going to find in the store that is nice, that I know that I was saving up from. Because for sure I'm saving up for a stove, but I don't know what we're going to find. Maybe I find something nice and something to add to the stove. So let's see. At this point I've decided to buy a microwave because like I don't have a microwave, and like when I'm going to exercise I don't want like to starve myself because the food are cold or what. And because I know my laziness, sometimes I just don't want to heat up the food and all that. So I decide I'm going to buy my microwave. So that is already in the like bucket list for what I'm buying today in game. now I'm just here like going to Truworth to buy some clothes, because like I'm not going to share this information right now. I'm going to share it in a later video. But I went to Truworth to buy some clothes. Like, that is the reason why I'm going to Truworth. I'm going to Truworth right now to just buy some clothes. And guys, I find a very big sale here in Truworth, like 50% off for all the clothes, guys. Can you imagine? Like, this was my lucky day. So I found this like nice top, like this pink top. It's so nice, and it's just 315 Truworth. Like, it was 600 and something. You know, Truworth is very expensive, but guys, like, the top is worth the money, guys. Like, it's worth the money. Like, it's so nice, and I'm just here admiring myself in the mirror because girl is looking so nice. And I also found this black dress, guys. This dress is also like very pretty and very nice. I'm not sure about the price of this dress, but I think it's 450 or 500. I think it's 500 and something. So I don't know what was the price, and I'm not sure about the dress, but I feel like it was not discounted. But I just love the dress because of the pocket and how loose it is. And I even feel like these pictures are not doing me justice, guys. The dress is just so nice. I love how it feels, the softness and everything, and just the fact that it has pockets, guys. I love it. Yo, and this cute mermaid dress just made my day. Like, it was everything that I was looking for in Truworth, and I just love it. At this point, I didn't know that there was something under. That's why you are seeing something like protruding in my belly. So now I'm going to do what brought me here to Shakati. Like, the part of the reason why I'm doing the video. I'm just going to do the grocery shopping and also the cosmetic. I don't think so I'm going to buy like the cosmetic in here. I'm just going to buy like the fruits and everything, because you know, guys, pick and pay is expensive. So I'm just going to try and buy things like cheaper here, and then manage to buy some at other shop. And I'm not sure if I'm going to vlog myself at other shop, because guys, the way people are staring at me, I'm uncomfortable, and I also feel like I'm tired, guys. The content that I produce for you guys, I feel like they're enough or what. I also went to Clicks to buy my cosmetic because Clicks have nice cosmetic. Like if you prefer nice things, go to Clicks and find nice things, guys. Like this is why I normally buy my cosmetic. So this is the sugar that I was talking about in the video, like the sugar that you buy instead of the other sugar for exercising. At this point I'm done with my whole shopping and everything, so I'm just waiting for the car to come and pick up my stove. And at this point, guys, I was so exhausted because I was just like standing up for the whole day for all my shopping and all that. Like shopping is just so exhausting. So as you can see, these are the people like fixing my stove. Like I was so disappointed. I have like to unbox my stove like just in the road like that. And the reason why I was doing it is because like the person who has to like do the stove is like staying in Oshakati, and I'm going to like where I stay, Otapi. So I have just like to call them because it's like, yeah, that is the reason why I have to like unbox the whole thing in the way. Like I didn't know, guys, that when you're buying the stove, you don't find like the plug and everything, so it's the electronic or electrician to come and fix all that. So that's why they are unboxing my stove in the way, so that when I'm going to reach home, like everything is already done. Because it's like there's no one that I really trust there to Shakat, like a Dotapi to come and do my stove. Like I know nobody, so I just have like to do that in Oshakati where I know people. Guys, my electrician was like, he's a guru in everything. Like didn't even took time to like finish everything. So if you need like a plug installation for a stove in Oshakati, just ask for his number, guys. Like he's an expert and he's coming to this thing. He did not even take like time. This is not a paid advert. I just said it because like I feel so good, like because it was fast, man. Like I was very like disappointed when I heard that it doesn't come with a plug, but just looking at him like finishing the whole thing within a short period of time made me feel good. So I'm home, like it's in the evening, that's why you cannot like see everything very well. I'm just unboxing my microwave that I also bought at game. So I'm also unboxing it so you get to see it and how beautiful everything it is. But there is poor lighting. I just apologize for that because it's in the evening and I'll not have time tomorrow like to vlog about how to do the unboxing of it and show you guys. I just have to do it now.